Take command of the road in the 2020 Ram 1500. This four-door, five-passenger truck stands out among competitors in its class. The engine breathes better thanks to a turbocharger, improving both performance and economy. Top features include remote keyless entry, one-touch window functionality, variably intermittent wipers, a built-in garage door transmitter, a trip computer, a rear step bumper, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, and a split-folding rear seat. Power adjustable pedals allow the driver to optimize his or her driving position, enhancing visibility, comfort, and safety. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.